And how do you eat this? Well, I guess you could drink it. Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Thought I'd bring you back. I was fixing to have a stack, actually a lunch, just a kind of a light lunch. You know, no big burgers or fries or chili or anything like that. And as I was getting ready to do this, I thought, well, maybe I need to share this. I don't think everybody does this. This is handed down from my grandparents to my dad. My mother did not like it. I liked it. So here goes. Let me get the camera there and show you what we got going. There you are, some cornbread. This is my cornbread made with white cornmeal and flour. If you want this recipe, I'll put it up. It's really good. The texture's great. It's not a sweet cornbread, it's just a country cornbread. Like my mom fixed two types, yellow cornbread and this cornbread. And you see hiding over here, buttermilk. Yeah, if you're from the country, you know what's fixing to go down. If you're not, you're going to say, okay, so what's that have to do with anything? Well, here's the deal. Cut my cornbread up. You just take and break your cornbread off and put it in this glass. I like kind of big chunks. I mean, it don't matter. It's all going to the same place. And get your buttermilk. Yes, sirree, Bob. Pour it right on top of your cornbread. Cornbread and buttermilk. And this cornbread is made with buttermilk. Chicken, ooey gooey buttermilk. It's got that tang to it, man. And how do you eat this? Well, I guess you could drink it. But you just get in there with your spoon. Don't let it, I like to not let it set for very long, so the buttermilk has a little bit of texture to it. That's some good old country eating right there. All this, I notice all the people in Hollywood, they got their cowboy hats and their jeans and their chaps and their boots, and they all want to be country stars. Well, ask them the next time you see one of them. Ask them what they eat. See if they eat country food like this. Cornbread with buttermilk poured over the top of it. If they don't, they ain't country. And I've been country for a long time. I put the ingredients list up. You know, just mix it all together. Put it in a hot skillet. I bake mine in an air fryer in a little 8-inch skillet I have. Does great. Turns out the same every time. Yummy. It should say yummy cornbread. So I'll put that up at the end. If you have any questions about it, send me a note. Like, how do you mix it? Or, I mean, it's pretty simple. Just mix it all together and pour it in a hot pan. Anyway, I appreciate y'all being on my channel. I know this is kind of a short video, but that's okay. They don't all have to be hours long or anything like that. I told somebody the other day, I've been monetized for about a year. I know y'all probably know what that means. That means you're getting paid for your the YouTube videos that you put up. And I see a lot of channels talking about, well, I made this and I got all this and I got this because I've been monetized. And the whole reason I put up this YouTube channel was to record events for my family and my friends, some recipes, and of course after I had my heart event to show the progress I was making, you know, keeping on. So I am keeping on. But anyway, it's not about the money for me. I don't follow any of the rules. Every day on YouTube, they give you a platform. You should do this, you should add this, you should do that. You know, maybe I need to get my hair spiked bright yellow standing up on end. Maybe I need to jump around. Well, that ain't gonna happen. What you're gonna get is an old country boy sharing good old country recipes, Southern recipes. Old dude's out of here. See y'all later.